What if I told you there's a way to make your crypto pay you every single day without trading or mining? Welcome to BingX. In 2025, staking is one of the biggest passive income strategies in Web3. Just look at the numbers. Over $150 billion worth of Ethereum is already staked, nearly 30% of the supply. On Solana, around 66% of tokens are staked. And on Polkadot, almost half the supply is staked as well. Think of staking like putting your crypto in a high-yield savings account that pays you in tokens. But how does it all work? Let's dive in. How does crypto staking work? You lock up tokens like Ethereum, Solana, or Polkadot into a proof-of-stake network. You get rewarded for helping secure it. This method earns you steady rewards that typically range from 3% to 20% plus annual percentage yield, or APY. For beginners, think of it as earning interest, but paid in crypto. For example, ETH averages about 3 to 4%, Solana 7 to 8%, Polkadot 10 to 12%, and Cosmos has gone as high as 20%. Unlike Bitcoin mining, staking doesn't burn crazy amounts of energy. What are the top 5 ways to stake crypto? The first way, passive staking via staking pools. Staking pools are a great entry point for beginners who don't have enough crypto or technical expertise to run their own validator. Instead of meeting high minimum requirements like 32 ETH for Ethereum, you can combine your tokens with thousands of other users. The pool stakes collectively, and rewards are distributed proportionally to each participant based on how much they contribute. For example, if a Polkadot pool offers 10% APY and you stake $1,000 worth of DOT, you could earn around $100 in rewards per year. The best part, you don't need to manage hardware, install special software, or stay online 24/7. The second, staking as a service for hands-off crypto staking. Platforms like BingX Earn let you stake popular tokens such as ETH, Sol, or USDT directly from your account in just a few clicks. You can pick between flexible terms, withdraw anytime, usually with lower APYs, or fixed terms. Lock your tokens for weeks or months for higher yields, sometimes up to 10 to 15% depending on the asset. Everything, including staking, tracking rewards, and redeeming, is managed within the exchange interface, making it one of the most accessible ways to start earning passive income through staking. Start using BingX Earn by following the link in this video's description. Third, solo staking by running your own validator node. Advanced users can run their own validator node to secure the network, keep full rewards, and earn around 3 to 8% APY with complete control of their funds. Validators are essential to blockchain networks. However, this method requires a large upfront investment and technical setup. On Ethereum, for example, you need to stake at least 32 ETH, worth over $130,000 in mid-2025. to become a validator. You also need reliable hardware, fast internet, and the ability to keep your node online 24/7. If your system goes offline or makes errors, you risk penalties known as slashing, which can reduce your staked funds. Running a validator can be worthwhile for long-term holders with large crypto portfolios seeking maximum independence. Though for most beginners, the high cost and complexity makes staking pools or exchange-based services a more practical option. Fourth, delegated staking. Delegated staking lets you earn rewards by assigning your tokens to a trusted validator without running hardware or locking large amounts of crypto. You keep ownership in your wallet, while the validator secures the network and takes a 5 to 10% commission from your rewards. This method is especially common in networks like Polkadot and Cardano. For example, if you delegate 1,000 DOT to a validator offering 12% APY, you might earn about 120 DOT per year. After a typical 10% validator fee, your net reward will be 108 DOT, all while keeping your original stake safe in your wallet. This process is simple. Choose a validator from your network's official wallet interface, delegate your tokens, and start receiving payouts automatically. Delegated staking offers an easier, cheaper way to help secure the blockchain while keeping control of your tokens. But picking a reliable validator is crucial to avoid reduced rewards or slashing risks. Fifth, liquid staking. Liquid staking lets you earn rewards without locking up your crypto. Platforms like Lido or Rocket Pool gives you liquid staking tokens like STETH or RETH, which represent your staked assets and can be used in DeFi for lending, borrowing, or trading. For example, staking 10 ETH through Lido gives you 10 STETH, earning 3 to 4% APY automatically. You can then deposit that STETH into lending protocols for an extra 2 to 5% APY, creating 2 income streams. This makes liquid staking attractive for higher capital efficiency. The trade-off is added risk and complexity. You keep liquidity but face smart contract risks, LST price fluctuations, and platform concerns. With nearly 40 billion in staked ETH managed through liquid staking in 2025, it's become one of the fastest growing strategies for both beginners and advanced users. How to stake crypto with BingX Earn. First, sign into your BingX account and complete identity verification, KYC, if prompted. Secondly, go to the Wealth section of the website or app and select Earn. Thirdly, choose your asset. Popular options include ETH, ADA, and SOL. Fourth, pick your staking type. Flexible staking lets you withdraw anytime with lower APYs. Fixed-term staking locks your assets for a set period, often giving high returns, sometimes up to 10 to 15% APY. Fifth, confirm your stake by accepting the terms and clicking subscribe. Your tokens will be locked and rewards will start accruing automatically in the same token. Should you stake your crypto in 2025? With billions locked in staking, yields higher than banks, and beginner-friendly tools, it's one of the smartest passive income plays in Web3 right now. Remember, it's not risk-free. Always weigh terms, validate your reliability, and market volatility before committing. If you're holding crypto long-term anyway, why not make it work for you? Hit the like button if you learned something today, subscribe to BingX for more crypto guides, and let us know in the comments which coins are you staking this year. I'll see you next time.